Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of What's Your Game Plan? If you landed on this video, it's probably because you're in need of some advice. As entrepreneurs, business owners, and working professionals, we're all going through similar challenges. And I want you guys to use these videos to share your own advice and help somebody succeed. So you know what to do. Drop a comment below and tell us if you agree or disagree with this advice. Let's get started. Today's topic is communicating with your team when you struggle with anger. Lots of people find it difficult to manage a team in a professional manner, especially when you find yourself struggling with anger. And lots of times emotions can run really high and it's really hard to stay focused and maintain a positive attitude. But no matter what, communicating is still an essential part of leading a successful business. So here's my best advice on how you can express your anger in a constructive way and maintain a positive working relationship with your team. If you're getting angry a lot, take a step back and pay attention to when you're feeling angry and why. This is going to help you better understand yourself, your triggers, and how to manage your emotions. Go ahead and just acknowledge that you're feeling angry. And remember, if the feeling strikes up again, just pause. Feeling angry? Pause. If you practice this, you'll be able to identify the source of your anger and then work on a better way to communicate your feelings to your team. You know, lots of people tend to forget that they can just take a break from the conversation. It's a good way to clear your head and to gain a perspective on actually what's going on. Step away from everybody, take as much time as you need to get yourself back into a calm mindset. I'll tell you this, things don't go as planned when you start yelling at people, and most people will actually lose a lot of respect for you. So when you stay in control of your emotions, you come across as confident and as an authority. But the minute that you lose it, people can see that you're weak, especially when any little thing makes you upset, and that's not what you want. The best thing to do is to not yell, not get angry, not get frustrated, and just tell them that you value their point of view. People want to be talked to calmly. Remember, you can catch more bees with honey than with vinegar. The easiest way to build trust and respect and create a collaborative work environment is to find common ground. Look for opportunities to have meaningful discussions and always do more talking about the things that you agree on. My last piece of advice is if you've made a mistake, just go ahead and apologize. Acknowledging and taking responsibility sets a really good example for the rest of your team. It also shows them that you're willing to work through problems and that they can now come to you with open arms because you're not gonna go off on them. Be more empathetic and make sure you open your ears to when people are talking to you about issues, concerns, or anything going on in the workplace. So what are your thoughts? With all these tips, will you be able to create a positive and productive work environment? Let me know in the comments below. If you're dealing with this situation, or maybe you've experienced this situation before, I'd love to know more about it. By the way, I'm giving away my best-selling leadership book on PDF for free. If you want it, just go to my website, enter in your email address, and I'll send it to you right away. And if you know somebody who needs to see this today, tag a friend, hit like, and please give it a share. And until next time, guys, take care.